we're in here nice and early. It's just before 6 a.m. This was actually last night's problem, but it's obviously this morning's problem now. We're backing up with the last load last night over to the tip face, and you can't see it now, but over there on the tip face, and I must have fucking snagged the fuel line underneath the fuel tank. You can't see it, but yeah, I must have got it snagged on the tip face, and it's right by the tank, so I had to get rushed off yesterday before Old Mate closed and get a new hose. So that's the task this morning. I came in a little bit earlier just to try and get it going, so we'll set up a few lights and everything. And the problem I have is that there's about 600 litres of fuel in that tank, so I'm going to try and the digger and everything is full, so I can't pump it into that. So yeah, trying to bloody get the fitting back into the tank, because it's in the bottom of the tank, will be quite interesting, I reckon. So yeah, there you go. The problem is that I couldn't take that elbow out to see which one it was either, so I'm just hoping that I got the right bloody elbow as well. Oh fuck. Fucking diesel shower. Diesel fucking shower. That wasn't too bad, was it? Fuck. Woo! Fucking diesel shower at 6 o'clock in the morning, how bad, eh? Whew. Now I just have to go and get some spanners, tighten her up and put the hose on it. That actually went a lot better than what I thought it was going to go. I even got the right elbow the first time as well. You fucking beauty. And another note as well, it actually broke the whole lot off right by the tank, so there was no tap or anything to turn off the water. So obviously that's all a new tap and all as well. Oh, if they all went like that, it'd be nice. You ready? Okay. We just have to join it over to the other side. I think I might have made it a bit long, but that's okay. Better looking at it than looking for it. Yeah. Should make that bloody light to see what I'm getting out of you. I still much rather working under these trucks than bloody cars. We should have a little bit of space. Nip that up before I forget about it. A thong. Oh, you can't. Jesus, they're fucking weak cable ties. Fuck. I won't put too many in them because I think I'll get fucking some more good quality fucking cable ties. I think we're pretty good. Back on the road again. Ugh. So there we go. So we have the U valve and the pipe going up into my other tank, my other Bowser tank. So yeah, there you have it, job done. Not too much of a drama after. It's always good when you're taking a diesel shower, I guess. Now I'm gonna go and get changed into some clean clothes, and yeah, because I don't really want to feel like going around in these diesel soaked clothes for the rest of the day. So yeah, there we have it. Yo!